very awesome trailer, man. Very awesome trailer. So I don't have a lot of time. I have to cover this up between 10 minutes, within 10 minutes. So I'm just going to wrap it up like really fast. First, we start with the Batman on a horse in a looking down some mountain, which is for sure the where he meets Aquaman because of the like sea and the anything everything else, and also the if the you see the Comic Con footage and the Batman's getup when he meets the Aquaman, the Batman's costume getup right now, where he is on the horse and he takes off his hood and like everything, the mask and anything like that. So then also we see the like the first part quickly, the new things we see. There's a mother box. There's not just a boom tube. There's a mother box, and for sure, Silas Stone, the father of the cyborg, has one in his house. Silas Stone has the mother box, not the boom tube, the mother box in his house. Wow, why the fuck would you put the mother box in your home? Because I'm asking because right in the next frame we see a parademon. For sure he's a parademon. We see him coming back, coming from behind of Silas Stone, and in a couple of clips later we see Cyborg saving his father for sure because he's wearing the same jacket and the black guy ducking down and Cyborg like bam, you're not touching him. He's at the back door of a house or something like that in a back alley. He's fighting for sure. Maybe it's a Parademons or Steppenwolf's army or like anything like that. And then we see Ezra Miller and the power of the Flash, where he's running through some forest and like something past some like compound or something like that. Also, we see Ezra Miller, the Flash, and the Batman joke in between, where he's like, Flash is like, so what's your superpower? Like Bruce is like, I'm rich. And then they get into a vehicle like which is for sure not a Batmobile, because a couple of clips later we see a Batmobile which is, but this one is like a giant and it has arms like these. I think what it is the it's a Batman's robot, which we saw in the Batman in a Justice League animation movie a couple of like 4 or 5 years ago, which was called Justice League Crisis on Two Earths, where we see Batman use a robot to fight off the like superhuman, super strength guys and the lady respectively, and like that was super cool, that robot. And if these guys did, because WB has confirmed that Batman will have two new vehicles, not just one. Apart from Batmobile, there will be two new vehicles. So maybe it's a Batwing or maybe it's that robot. I don't know what it is, but I sure hope it is a robot, because in a couple of clips later we see Batman jump down into some like a cockpit of some maybe it's his Batwing, which like transforms into a robot or like something like that. But we see lots of buttons, and or it could also be the Wonder Woman's invisible jet, invisible plane. I don't know. It really looks wonderful where Batman jumps into, but again, really going forward to it. Then we see like Silas Stone with the fighting, and also we see him with the mother box, holding the mother box. Whether it's the same mother box which is in his father's house, or it's some other. I'm sorry, which he might have recovered somewhere else. Then we see J.K. Simmons playing Jim Gordon, Commissioner Gordon, and he's also having fun with Batman. He's like, I like you playing well with others again. Like, and then Jason Momoa comes in and dressed like Bat. I dig it. And like Bruce Wayne turns back, maybe not for long. And they it's like they are having fun with each other, and these guys know each other like very well, and like they know that no, he's not that good. I'm better than him. Apart from Flash, because he's like, they all are cool and nothing. And also we see Louis Lane, we also see Mera, the love interest of the Aquaman, in the water somewhere. I don't know why they have shown Louis Lane and Mera. And also we also see the Henry Allen, father of Barry Allen, the Flash, in a jail, and they are talking with each other, with a like I don't know why they have shown these guys. Maybe Louis Lane is for sure because like Superman is coming back and she's turning back and looking at possibly him, or it also could be Apocalypse, or I don't know. But they have shown the Mera and the Flash's father Henry I'm sure because it's like a future thing, the future movie, because these both guys will have the future films coming up post the Justice League movie. Also, we see a fights in between Amazons and maybe Stephen Wolf's army or the Parademons, but those guys look like a humans, so it could be Stephen Wolf's army. And but this fight, I'm not sure it's actually happening in the movie. It could be the flashback where Wonder Woman telling Bruce Wayne, the Batman, that this has happened earlier and I had already fought them with my army. Or this could also be like the favor Wonder Woman calls in the Amazons, like, yo guys, come up, we have a big battle to win, or something like that. And then we see like in between we see the intro of the like Wonder Woman telling Bruce Wayne that this is Cyborg, and Bruce Wayne telling that this is Aquaman and this is Flash. Maybe it's because at the end of Suicide Squad, if you remember that Amanda Waller gives the file to Bruce Wayne, which had the name of all the superheroes, containing the information of those. And we see that Bruce Wayne like meets up with in a Comic Con footage. We see Bruce Wayne meet up with a Flash, and we see him meet up with a Aquaman. Maybe it is because these two guys have at the end of B versus Batman vs Superman, we see Wonder Woman and Batman meeting up and they are teaming up already. Maybe they got selected. Bruce Wayne got the file from Amanda Waller, showed it to Wonder Woman, and they came up. They decided that they both want these three characters to be in their team to save the world, to save the earth, to save the humanity from the whatever the danger there is. The others, as Wonder Woman call them, but I don't know. So the guys must have decided that Bruce Wayne, like, I'll go talk to these two. You go collect the cyborg biomechanic guy, I don't know. So maybe it's because of that. We'll see in the movie trailer. I don't think I'm missing something. No, there's a big fight at the end, and we haven't seen. I'm so sorry, but we haven't seen the the Superman yet. In the movie, we see Lois Lane, but we don't see. And also for the news that yeah, that's it. It's just November 17, and also I'm missing the character of William Defoe. I haven't seen him in this trailer as of now, but I really wish that his character would be shown. But Mera was shown, but from the Atlantean, the love interest of the cyborg. I'm sorry, not cyborg, the Aquaman, but. I could not see William Defoe. I wanted to see William Defoe more than J.K. Simmons and even more than Henry Cavill, the Superman guy. But I did not saw him, and I'm a bit disappointed. But I'm much eager to wait for the next trailer. Please like this video if you got to know this from me, and also subscribe, and also comment down below, please.